My fellow Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora, it is a privilege and honor to address you this festive season. Christmas, a time of joy and reflection, calls us to embrace the profound message at the heart of the season. Christmas, as we all have come to realize, is not only about merriment and gifts, it is also a reminder of the deep values that bind us together as a community. The essence of Christmas is its ability to bring out the innate goodness within each of us, a goodness that is superior to our daily struggles and differences. Let us reflect on the fundamental reason for this season. In the Christian community, the incarnation of Jesus is celebrated. We also use this time to celebrate peace, love, and hope. These are not just abstract ideals, but real, tangible actions that we can all embody in our daily lives. Through simple acts of kindness, understanding, and compassion, we demonstrate the true spirit of the season. This Christmas, I encourage each one of you to look beyond the festivities and see the opportunities to show love and kindness to those around us. We can each reach out in tangible ways to those in need, offer a helping hand to those struggling, and visit and encourage those who are alone. Our actions, no matter how small, can make a significant difference in someone's life. It is important that we show goodness during Christmas, but it should not be confined only to this season. It should be a guiding light throughout the year. Let us carry the spirit of Christmas into each day, making compassion, generosity, and kindness our constant companions. Even in these challenging times, we can make the spirit of Christmas a beacon of hope and a reminder of the resilience and strength that lie within each one of us. In this regard, I sincerely thank those who have opened their hearts, their homes, and their bank accounts to the poor and vulnerable during this season, so that together we can create a world where the spirit of Christmas is not just an annual tradition, but a living, breathing part of our everyday lives. May this Christmas fill your hearts with joy, your homes with peace and love, and your lives with laughter. Merry Christmas, everyone. May God bless you and bless Jamaica, land we love.